Welcome to Living Hope Mixed Farm again. We have chicken for sale. These are chicken that we have already finished brooding. You can place your orders and we will be brood for you. And you buy these ones, you don't need to put for them the brooder anymore. These are dual purpose chicken. They are called rainbow roosters. So if you are interested, please reach out. We shall be able to brood for you this chicken and you get them when they are ready to go. These are dual purpose chicken. They can do well even in free range system. Actually, they do better on free range. So after brooding them like this, they are good enough to be released to the environment so that they can scavenge their own food. Then you just give them some food for supplement. You can also keep them on zero grazing, like inside like this. If you have a limited space, still you will be able to achieve your target. These birds grow very fast. By 3 months, they are ready for consumption. By 5 months, they are already laying eggs and they are already reproducing. So if you want to brood them for meat, by 3 months, 3 to 4 months, they are already good for meat. When you want to raise them for like parent stock, by 4 to 5 months, they are already laying eggs. Then you will be able to get the eggs from them. You'll be able to get meat from them. You'll be able to get day-old chicks from them and be able to raise your chicken up to the age that you would desire. So we have these ones at Living Hope Mixed Farm. They are very resistant to diseases. They grow very fast. By 1 month, they are already making 1 kilogram or between 0.8 to 1 kilogram of weight. So they are very good dual-purpose chicken and very resistant to diseases. So when you get them, you don't regret. So reach out to us and be able to have this chicken on board. If you reach out, you make your orders, we brood for you. Then you get them when you no longer need to give them heat. Now you just put them on free range, or you can keep them inside like this. You can raise them in whichever way that you would prefer. So this is our chicken. Let's continue looking at them. They are healthy. They are growing perfectly. They eat. They have very good appetite. But whatever they eat, they perfectly convert them to the tissue that we desire, and they grow very fast. So you will not regret having this chicken in your farm. So reach out to us. We are happy right now to give you the ones which are now 1 month, and they are able to flourish even in the outside environment, scavenging, looking for their own food, which means it will cut the cost of your feeding by at least 50%, which means 50% of the feeds they will be getting from the environment. But also if you plant specific vegetables that you give them, there are vegetables that they like them so much, you will cut the cost of your feed by over 60 or even 75%, which means you will only be giving them 25% of the feeds that they need. When you take them to free environment, you might even give them only 20% of the feeds that they want, but the minerals, the vitamins, and also other part of the nutrients they will be able to get from the environment. So this is very economical, and it will give you the profit that you want. So as we said that they are rainbow roosters, they are very colorful birds. They have almost all the colors of the rainbow. So as you can see from the other section, we had the other color. Here we also have, but they are perfectly mixed colors. We have just tried to separate them, but they come up in mixed colors. So if you want to have your own and raise parent stocks, they will give you the very rainbow rooster colors that you desire. So we would wish to hear from you, as you would want to have this chicken at your farm. They are perfect chicken. They are perfect. They are perfect dual-purpose birds. They lay eggs over 200 years or over 200 eggs per year. If you give them the right feeds, or if you put them even in the external environment where they're able to get their vitamins, minerals, and also the feed that you give them. So here we have this very good chicken, and you should be able to have them on board. With the time we shall be having lay eggs, fertilize the eggs. That is from May 2026, we shall be having fertilized the eggs for chicken. We shall be having fertilized the eggs for American Peking ducks. We shall be having day-old chicks for rainbow roosters. We shall be having 1-month-old chicken or chicks for rainbow roosters and local chicken. Also, we shall be having eggs for local chicken. We shall be having 1-month-old chicks for local chicken, 1-month-old chicks for rainbow roosters, 1-month-old chicks for broiler chicken, and 1-month-old chicks for American Peking ducks, which are white in color, and they are very good ducks. We shall also be having mature chicken, that is the rainbow roosters. We shall be having mature local chicken. We shall be having mature broiler chicken, and we shall be having mature Peking ducks. So reach out to us. We shall be having this, and when you are interested, please don't hesitate. Book yours in advance. Right now we can brood for you the chicken. We can also brood for you the ducks. If you want 1-month-old Peking ducks, please reach out to us. We are able to brood for you, and you get them at the age of 1 month, and at the age of 1 month they will be amazingly big ducks for you. So reach out to us. We are Living Hope Mixed Farm. We are based in Gulu City, Uganda. We are grateful. Please, we have a YouTube channel where we load tutorials on chicken farming, duck farming, goat farming, crop farming, crops like tomatoes, cassava, any kind of crops, rice, wheat, onions, and others. So don't hesitate to reach to us. Please reach out to us and be able to have these things. Be able to get this knowledge, because knowledge is wealth. So we have tutorials. These tutorials will never expire, because we keep on building up. We keep on bringing in integrating new ideas into our tutorials. So you will not regret having to watch our YouTube videos from our YouTube channel, and it is free of charge. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. That we value so much, because you are our valued fellow farmers. So please support Living Hope Mixed Farm by subscribing to us, and then ask questions. We shall be able to even make videos to answer your questions that you will be asking on our YouTube channel comment section. Also like our videos, because if you have really got something good from it, please like it, so that other people are also to get interested in it and watch, because we depend on you to grow. So let's grow together. Please, these are our rainbow roosters. These are our rainbow rooster chicken. They are perfectly growing up. So we are saying that please don't hesitate to reach us at Living Hope. These ones are already good to go. We can sell them. We can sell them to you. This one can even travel across the country and even outside the country. They are now strong enough. They don't need brooding. They can maintain their temperatures on their own. So you can see they have appetite. They are eating well. They are very good chicken. So please reach out to us. We shall be able to brood for you, and you get them at this age. Here you can put them at your backyard from free range system. They do perfectly. You will be able to get your eggs by the age of 4 to 5 months if you want them to produce eggs, and this chicken produce over 200 eggs within a year. So they are very good layers, and at the same time they give you very good meat, because they have the weight between 3.5 to over 5 kilograms of live weight, which means you will be able to harvest meat from this very chicken that you are seeing. And by 3 months, they are already good to go when you want to have them as for meat production. But if you want them for egg production, 4 to 5 months, that is when they are ready to start giving you eggs. So thank you. Go to our YouTube, in our YouTube channel, please subscribe and be able to support us, and like the video so that other farmers can watch and they be supported. Thank you so much.